There's luxury, and then there's a whole different level of luxury that only SpaceCraft Manufacturing seems to operate in. Today, we're taking a look at one of their most jaw-dropping creations. And honestly, this isn't the kind of RV most people will ever own, but it's definitely one you'll want to see. Every year, the RV world comes together at huge events to show off what's new, and one of the biggest is the Florida RV Super Show. It's where brands bring their best, and SpaceCraft showed up with something truly unforgettable. This company has been building high-end trailers since 1962, and they specialize in fully custom rigs that are built from the ground up. Everything from the chassis to the interior is crafted in-house. Now, calling this thing an RV almost feels like an understatement. It's massive, it's incredibly detailed, and it's designed exactly the way the owner wants it. These builds are fully customizable, and while they often land around the $1 million mark, the real reason they're so exclusive is simple. There's a waiting list that stretches for years. So for most people, seeing one in person is about as close as it gets. The model on display is a full-on semi-trailer, which means it's bigger and heavier than your typical fifth wheel. It weighs in at around 42,000 pounds dry and stretches an incredible 55 feet long. With 7 slide-outs, it opens up into something that feels more like a luxury apartment than a mobile home. Even though it's huge, it's designed specifically for a couple. And right from the outside, you can tell it's something special. The black and gold paint job sets the tone, and that theme carries all the way inside with rich finishes and high-end materials. You step straight into the kitchen, and it's basically a dream setup. There's an island, beautiful walnut cabinetry with gold accents, real wood flooring, and quartzite countertops. Everything feels solid and premium, and the full-size Viking appliances make it clear this isn't just for show. You could genuinely live here full-time. Right across from the kitchen, there's a dedicated dining area, and next to that is the living room. With opposing slide-outs, the space opens up nicely, giving you room to relax on a large leather couch with recliners. There's also a full entertainment setup with a big smart TV, a fireplace, and a surround sound system that makes movie nights feel like a theater experience. Towards the back, things get even more interesting. There's a completely separate office space, perfect for working on the road. It can also double as a dressing area thanks to all the extra storage, including multiple wardrobes. And then there's the patio. Yes, a fold-down 4-season patio at the rear that adds even more living space. Underneath it, there's even a lift designed to carry e-bikes, which is a pretty cool touch if you want to explore once you've parked. At the front of the trailer, you'll find the bedroom and one of the most unique bathroom setups you'll see in an RV. The layout is open, with a vanity and shower out in the open, while the toilet is tucked away separately. It's a bold design, but it works surprisingly well. There's even a hidden laundry setup with a stacked washer and dryer, making it feel even more like a real home. On top of all that, this rig is packed with serious tech. You've got a powerful generator, a tankless water heater, advanced water filtration, a lithium battery system, and high-end climate control. It's built to be as functional as it is luxurious. As for the price, this particular build came in at around $600,000, and it was already sold by the time it hit the show floor. So while owning one might be out of reach for most, getting a look inside something like this is still pretty incredible.